Hello guys. In this video I will give you another criteria, another thing that the people are looking for to invest in a company is the IPOs. IPOs stand for initial public offering. You know, when the companies are private, it means you can't buy the shares because they are private, okay? And when it goes and get listed to the stock market, it is called an IPO. It means it just get listed, and there is a lot of speculation. Some people are looking for the new fresh companies, okay? Company that it is $5, $7, $10. After a few months, 1 year or two or three, this $5 it could be $20, $30, $50. It means they want fresh companies. They don't like the old companies that it stays for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 50 years, or 70 years, or 100 years. So they don't like these companies because the growth of this company is so slow. Okay, and it's better to use dividend for this kind of stocks. But there are some stocks that are called IPOs. IPOs, they are just new. So you tell me, how do you find these IPOs? You just put IPOs calendar. You can get all the IPOs, whatever you want. Okay, but let's see. Let's show you how to find IPOs. Okay, if you go to finviz.com, which is a stock screener. Okay, I will not show you how to search for stocks, for any stocks, either IPO or any. If you are interested, you just go to my silver subscription or golden subscription, or you go to training level 2, how to search for stocks using stock screener. Either you can use finviz or another stock. It's not it's the same if you know the criteria. Now let's go to here, IPO date. If you want to search for a date for IPOs, for example, you say, let's say the last month. You click that. Okay, last month, here it shows no IPO. Let's say last quarter, 3 months, you will find that all these stocks, okay, you find that all these stocks have been into this 3 months, it means last quarter, and you find stocks that are healthcare, industry sector. You find industries, if you like, for example, if you are interested to see biotechnology or ETF, exchange traded fund. This is our ETFs, or you find business services, biotechnology, semiconductor, or ETF, or retail, or anything that you like. Okay, so you find 85 stocks. It means you should go, and you can see here the chart. Let's see. I will show you ACMR. Okay, ACT. So there are some that you can see that will be very good, and some they are very bad. It depends on you. What's this? This is exchange. It's an ETF. Okay. It's called Bible. So let's go to the chart. Okay. Let's go to the chart and write this Bible and see what's going on. Okay. Now, see this Bible, which is a new company, which is an ETF. ETF, it means it represents other stocks. It is just an index. So an ETF, it is like a stock, but it is an index. So it begins just in the 31st of October 2017. So we have November, December, and beginning of January. You see the stock was 25, now it is 27. It's going up, But the volume is so low, it means that the people, they are not, and here we have zero, it means this is like an ETF that no one goes, because the volume is so low. Okay, the volume is so low. So let's go, and I search you for what is it? I search you for a stock. It's better. Let's go to the stocks, and stocks, for example. Let's say here. No, not ETFs. This is bad. Let's see. Okay. It's a CEIX. CEIX. We'll try to see this one. Okay. Now, this company, for example, it's called Console Energy. It's a new IPO. Now, the beginning, even the beginning, it has only 900 shares that it was bought or sold. So this company here, we have 0.2188 cents. No one has bought, no one has sold this company. And now you begin to see that the volume has gone so good. 5,300,000. And just before, it was not known. There is something going on here, okay? Something going on, because it's not normal. From zero in one day, and the other we have 3,000, and now we have millions. 1 million, 5 million, 1 million. Now you will see that stock, for example, it was $21. Now it is 35. You see this trend? This is what the people are looking for, to buy these small companies. When they see they are going up, they hold for long, and they can make money from these companies. Okay, so for you, if you are searching, you can see the new ones, and you can see last year, for example, you will find 358 stocks or ETFs. You will find all the industries, all the sectors that you like. Now, I will give you a trick. If you want to search in this kind of stocks, you can see the price, or you can see the sector. For example, sector, I want only, let's say, healthcare. Healthcare, I find 41. Okay? Let's say the prices are too, I want to limit the prices, let's say under $10. You will find that there are $14 stocks under $10 in this IPOs. So you can check one by one and see. But believe me, for me, I have another way to search for this, and to search in order to buy, not just in order. Because if you don't know how to search, this criteria that I give you, this is our optional criteria. This is just optional criteria. But the criteria that gives you the best stocks to buy, either for long or to invest in it. So there are other criteria. You can check my website, and you see them all. Okay? So, as I told you, IPOs, try to think about old IPOs. Okay? Facebook, Apple, Google, LinkedIn, in the other, all the other stocks that you see, $300, $400, $500. These stocks were small at the beginning. They were IPOs. It means they just entered the market. But later, they become bigger and bigger and bigger. And this is what I'm talking about. It means there are some people who knows industry, for example. Let's say you are specialized in some field, and you know some industries very well, and you know how the company, which is good, which is bad, And if you know that the company is good according to whatever criteria that you choose, and it is an IPO, just enter, you can see a price where you can buy. You can even use my techniques to buy on time. Even if you are investing, you are not trading, you can use that in order to find the best time to buy, because sometimes you buy at the end, or you should buy from the beginning. Okay, so this is a very good thing about the IPOs. A lot of people, they make a lot of money from these IPOs, but understand that if the company is not doing good and this IPO doesn't have good competition in something, it will fall down and you will lose a lot of money. So in investing, there is a lot of risk. That's why a lot of people, if you don't like risk, you should stick with indexes, with ETFs and mutual funds. You shouldn't go to stocks, because the stocks, when you invest in the stocks, you will have the best performance, but you risk more. And this is the thing about investing. Okay, so thank you very much. Please go to the next criteria.